Hello students, this is a question from the subject called discrete mathematics from a subtopic of combinatorics asked in GATE 2017 for 2 marks. Here understand the question what it is given. The number of integers between 1 and 500 both inclusive that are divisible by 3 or 5 or 7 is. Here I am assuming A is a number that is divisible by 3. Okay, A is a number that is divisible by B is a number that is divisible by 5 and C is a number that is divisible by 7. Okay, now I am assuming A, B, C are the numbers divisible by 3, 5, 7. Now what is the question? Number of integers between 1 and 500 that are divisible by 3 or 5 or 7. It does mean you need to find n of A union B union C you need to find. What is n of A union B union C formula? N of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now what is n of A? Means the number of integers that are divisible by 3. That is because A is 3. Now observe how to crack the question. We have numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 500. How many numbers are divisible by 3? 3, 6, 9 and so on. It means what is the total number of integers? 500. So after every 3 positions a number is divisible by 3, means 3, then after 3 position 6, then after 3 position 9 it is divisible by 3. So the total number of integers that are divisible by 3 is 500 by 3. I can say lower bound because more than 500 is not possible. So it is simple way of understanding the question. Now what is n of A? N of A is 500 by 3 lower bound. Similarly, what is n of B? 500 by number of integers divisible by 5 plus n of C says 500 divided by 7. Now minus. Now coming to the point. What is A intersection B? Here A intersection B says number of integers divisible by A and B, that is 3 and 5. Now 3 and 5, what are the integers that are divisible by 3 and 5? 15, then 30, then 45 and so on. And see, this 15 is divisible by 3 as well as 5, 30 is divisible by 3 as well as 5, 45 is divisible by 3 as well as 5. It means these numbers already we have counted for 3 and counted for 5, so that is to be subtracted. So means how many you can see that are divisible by 3 and 5? Similar formula, means range is 500. And how many integers are divisible by 3 and 5? We can say 3 into 5. Similarly, you can write number of integers divisible by A and C, that is 3 and 7. We can say 500 by 3 and 7 means 3 into 7 minus 500 by B and C. B is 5 and C is 7. 5 into 7 plus number of integers divisible by A, B, C, all three. All three means 3 into 5 into 7. What is 3 into 5 into 7? That is 21. It is 105. This numbers 105 is divisible by 357 because it is already counted and subtracted in the second part of the formula, that is n of A intersection B and all. Because it is eliminated double the times, so we have to add one more time, that is 500 by 3 into 5 into 7. So when we solve this equation, what we will get? 500 by 3 will get 166 point something. We can take 166, lower bound only we have to take, plus 500 by 5 it is 100, plus 500 by 7 it is 71, minus 500 by 15 it is 33, 500 by 15 it is 23, 500 by 21 it is 14 plus 500 by 105, it is 4. When we solve this one, what we will get? 166 plus 100 plus 71, which is equals to 337, this one, minus 33 minus 23 minus 14, which is called 70, plus 4. Okay, it is minus 70, it is plus 4. So that what will be the answer? 337 minus 70 plus 4, it is 271. Means 337 plus 4, 341, minus 70, it is giving you 271. So the answer for this question will be 271. That is the number of integers between 1 and 500 that are divisible by 3 or 5 or 7 are equals to 271.